Look at what happened here. Big tree collapsed their fence and completely destroyed it. Wow. That's insane. You see that? It's real. I know it looks fake, but it's alive. You see it moving his head? He just walked up to their doorstep. As soon as I left and got in the car, he walked right up to their doorstep. I don't know why, but I've never seen one like that. Look at how pretty, though. That is cool looking. Big bird. Walked over here now. I'm trying to catch him walking. There we go. Now I got him walking. Now you can see him fully. He is beautiful.